polynomials, division algorithm of polynomials. Before discussing division algorithm of polynomials, so we discuss Euclid's division lemma one more time. So I am taking two integers a and b, two positive integers a and b. If we are dividing a number a with b, so there exists some quotient q and remainder r. So a equal to bq plus r. So this is Euclid's division lemma. A equal to bq plus r is the Euclid's division lemma. Here ab are two integers. Then there exists q is also integer, such that q and r also integers, such that 0 less than or equal to r less than b. So this remainder should be always less than the divisor, and it may be 0, but it won't be non-negative. R should be lies between 0 to b, including 0, excluding b. So this is Euclid's division lemma. For example, if we are dividing a number 27 with a number 5, 5 into 4, 20. So here we got 7. Again, I am dividing with 27 with 5. 5 into 5, 25. Remainder 2. Again, if we are dividing with 5, 5 into 6, 30, minus 3. So if we are observing the remainders minus 3, 7, 2. So only this one is possible because it is only satisfying the Euclid's division lemma. That's why we are not doing like this. So the divisions we are not doing like this. So the remainder, here the remainder 2, the divisor 5, 2 is less than 5. So here 7 is not less than 5. Here minus 3 is less than 5, but it won't be greater than 0. So it is not positive. So we are not taking the remainder like this, like this. So we are choosing only like this. Okay, so 27 we are dividing with 5, the quotient is 5 and the remainder is 2. So the condition for remainder is, so 0 less than or equal to remainder should be less than the divisor. So this is Euclid's division lemma. Okay, coming to polynomial, I want to apply this one, polynomial. So let us consider a polynomial p of x. Let us consider a polynomial p of x. If we dividing this polynomial p of x with another polynomial g of x, if we dividing the polynomial p of x, dividing the polynomial g of x, then we are getting quotient q of x and remainder r of x. So quotient q of x, remainder r of x. Then we can write it as p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Similarly, here a equal to bq plus r. Here 27 equal to this divisor 5 into quotient 5 plus 2. However, we are writing like this, p of x, the dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So here what is the condition? And this expression is called division algorithm of polynomials. So division algorithm is nothing but we are dividing a polynomial with another polynomial, we are getting quotient as well as remainder. So together we are writing in a single expression. The expression is called division algorithm. So here what is the condition? So here the remainder should be less than the divisor. So here also the remainder should be less than the divisor. But how do we judge which polynomial is bigger, which polynomial smaller? In numbers, which number bigger, which number smaller, we know. For example, here 2 is smaller than 5. In polynomials, we can't judge which one is bigger, which one is smaller. So, for example, if we are taking x square and x cube, so in these two polynomials, which one is bigger? Seems to be x cube. But x cube need not be bigger polynomial than x square, because so if we are taking x value 1, x square value 1, if we take x equal to minus 1, x cube equal to cube of minus 1. So here x cube value is minus 1, x square is plus 1, so x cube value is smaller than the x square. So we can't judge which one is bigger polynomial, which one is smaller polynomial. So we can judge polynomial based upon the degree. So here the condition is either the remainder is equal to 0 or degree of remainder r of x should be less than the degree of g of x. So here the divisor is g of x, the degree of r of x should be less than the degree of g of x. So this is the condition. Next, so r of x degree always less than the g of x degree. So r of x may be 0. So if r of x is equal to 0, the degree of 0 is not defined. That's why we are not including this one. Either r of x is equal to 0 or degree of r of x less than 0. And one more thing, so if we are observing, so this g of x, this q of x, degree of g of x plus degree of q of x, which gives degree of p of x. The sum of degrees of g of x and q of x, which is equal to the degree of p of x. Okay, now so this is called division algorithm of polynomial. So one more time, this is I am dividing polynomial p of x with polynomial g of x, then the quotient q of x and the remainder r of x. We can express all this division in terms of p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. So r of x, here the condition for r of x, it is either 0 or degree of r of x less than the degree of g of x. And one more thing, so if we are adding the degrees of g of x and degree of q of x, the sum is equal to the degree of p of x. And one more thing, so degree of g of x and degree of q of x are always less than the degree of p of x. Always less than the degree of p of x. Okay, either it may be equal, but so it won't be exceed the degree of p of x. So this is the division algorithm. First question, divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. So divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x. We are dividing polynomial p of x with polynomial g of x. We need to find out the quotient and remainder. So these are the questions, first, second, third. Here polynomial p of x and g of x are given. We need to divide. So first I am dividing polynomial p of x with polynomial g of x. So then I want to write x cube minus x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. So dividing with x square minus 1. So I want to divide with x square minus 1. So here the first term is x cube. Here the first term is x square. I want to divide with x cube by x square. First term. So x square cancel. We are getting x. So x square into x square into x cube minus 1 into x minus x. So x cube, I will write this x cube down the x cube. Here down the 5x I am writing minus x. So there won't be any x square quotient. So simply I want to write 0x square. Now minus, changing the signs, minus plus x cube cancel, minus 3x square minus 0, minus 3x square, 5x plus x, 6x. Now this is, and minus 3 also taking down. So x square, here minus 3x square, divide with x square cancel, we are getting minus 3. So this is minus 3. X square into minus 3, minus 3x square, minus 1 into minus 3, plus 3. So write here. So nothing means plus 0x. So this changing the signs, plus minus minus, plus minus minus. So since it is minus plus, plus minus plus minus 3x square cancel 6x minus 0x 6x minus 3 minus 6. So this is the remainder, because since the degree is equal to 2, here the degree is 1. So this remainder degree is less than the degree of the divisor. So this will be the remainder. So there won't be another division. So now therefore quotient equal to what? X minus 3 is the quotient. Remainder equal to 6x minus 6. So this is the remainder, this is the quotient. Next, coming to the second question. So the second question is P of x equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. X power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Next, g of x equal to, so x square plus 1 minus x, but I want to write in descending powers in the order. So x square minus x plus 1. Now I want to divide this p of x with g of x. So x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 with x square minus x plus 1. So now to write first term, this first term x power 4 by this first term x square, x power 4 by x square equal to x square. So write x square. This x square into x square, x power 4 minus x into x square minus x cube, x into x square, x cube, 1 into x square. So actually, so here x cube term not containing, so that's why I am taking 0x cube. So in middle I want to take 0x cube. So first 1 into x square minus this plus minus x power 4. So here it is nothing, x cube, so simply plus x cube. This minus x square minus 3x square minus 4x square minus x square minus 3x square minus 4x square plus 4x. Now this x cube by x square, if we are dividing x square cancel, we are getting x plus x. I am writing x square into x cube minus x into x minus x square, 1 into x plus x minus, changing the signs, plus minus x cube cancel, minus 4x square plus x square minus 3x square, 4x minus x plus 3x. Next plus 5. So x square minus 3x square minus 3x square by x square cancel, minus 3. We should write minus 3. X square into minus 3 minus 3x square minus x into minus 3 plus 3x, 1 into 1. So changing the signs, plus minus minus. So cancel. Minus 3 plus 3x minus 3x is also cancel. 5 minus 1, 4. So this is the power degree 2, maximum power 2. So the degree is equal to the remainder degree either 1 or 0, less than 2. So this is constant. The degree of the constant polynomial is 0. So quotient equal to x square plus x minus 3, remainder equal to 4. So this is the answer. Next, third one, P of x equal to x power 4 minus 5x plus 6. Next, g of x equal to 2 minus x square. So I want to divide this one, x power 4. Actually there is no x cube term, so somewhat down I am writing x power 4. So there is no x cube. I want to write 0x cube. There is no x square. I will write 0x square. There minus 5x plus 6. Divide with 2 minus x square. So I want to write the descending powers. So minus x square. X square is the highest power. Minus x square plus 2. You write, or else minus x square plus 0x plus 2. So no problem, whatever you write. So if we observe first term what? X power 4 by x square. X power 4 by x square getting cancelled. So we are getting another x square minus. Minus into minus plus x square into x square, x power 4. Now 2 into minus x square minus x square minus 2x square. One more time, 2 into minus x square minus 2x square. So in between there is no x cube term, so plus 0x cube minus plus. So x power 4 getting cancelled. So 0x cube, no need to write. Next 0x square plus 2x square minus 5x plus 6 I am taking. Now this is minus x square, this is 2x square. So 2x square by minus x square. X square cancel, 2 by minus 1 minus 2. Minus into minus plus, x square into 2, 2x square. 2 into minus 2 minus 4. So there won't be between x term, so plus 0x minus plus 2x square cancel. Minus 5x minus 0x minus 5x. 6 plus 4 plus 10. So this is the remainder. Because the degree of this polynomial is 1, this polynomial degree 2. So this is the polynomial which contains the degree less than the degree of the divisor. So it is the remainder. So remainder equal to minus 5x plus 10. Quotient equal to minus x square plus